We got to be pulling apart the Supra. We got to pull apart that GTR back there. We got to pull apart that GTR back there. We got to pull apart that Silvia. We got to put back together the RX-7. We got work to do.
And we're wasting it on this.
And we're wasting it on this. What's going on, people of YouTube, is we're gonna make a dyno video of the 370Z with the Stillen Supercharger on it. Ooh, Stillen Supercharger, making boost. Gonna make this thing fast. All right. Well, it's not fast. It only gained like 50 something horsepower. Holy shit.
Yeah, that's not good.
No.
Where'd the bolt go?
Okay, well, we're missing the bolt.
Just maybe lock that.
Yeah.
Yo, do you see how dumb this thing is? Cool. Look at that thing. It does look cool.
Even with stock wheels, it looks pretty dope.
It looks like it's on air. It's like straight.
It does.
What size wheels are those?
16s?
16s?
Yeah,
15s?
So, yeah.
Put the mic
16s.
on, man. Let's go.
Testing, 1, 2. There's no foam doohickey on here.
I'll do it. I'll do a 4th gear. Keep it in.
Alright. Oh, that's a good shot. Just turn around and turn.
We got it, man. We're not going but 0 miles. I mean, technically, we're not going any miles. Look at how pretty back here.
Oh, yeah.
Got yellow and orange and this blue.
Alright.
All right. It's already warm. It's already warm, man. Nice cup. What does that say on the side there?
If it has tits and tires, I can make it squeal.
Oh shit!
Thanks,
That's awesome.
son. I'm gonna get Donnie in here. He gonna love that.
He's probably already seen it.
You
He
make
probably
him-
bought it for him.
You make him squeal?
He's got tits.
Alright, son.
Donnie's gonna love that.
Dylan, Jack, do it.
Are you excited, Tevin?
Really excited.
Here we go.
Never heard noise like that before.
Okay, yeah, I don't know what that was at the end there. It sounded like
different.
belt squeak. Sounded like belt squeak at the end there.
It was.
Well, we tightened it.
You to push it as hard and don't get the squeal, or are you gonna cut it out?
All of that, man.
No, this is the way it is,
this
man.
Look, it was looser at 6,000 RPM. It would squeal like a.
Right.
We tightened it after it was recommended.
Not
that's
to-
already tight from Stillen.
Right, they said don't touch it.
Don't
They
touch
said
it.
that's the way it is. We've tightened it already.
All right. Well, can we check out the horsepower numbers? Because I'm kind of excited to know what they are.
Yeah, man, let's see what kind of horsepower we got.
About 500 horsepower. Let me get rid of this because this is. Look. All right. So
We got a bunch of them up here. What's the most it made?
Did you hit okay already?
I did. That's the last
Okay,
one.
So this last one then.
But it made 343.
What? Originally.
Yep.
Wait a minute. Still didn't say I was gonna make that now.
I thought it was gonna make 400.
I thought I was gonna make by 5, man.
380,
What?
400.
Something.
No, it was supposed to be 380, 400.
Well, that's
So
what
that's
they're saying.
380. That's 336.
This is the boost pressure. We only made 6.5.
6.5.
They did say it was going to be a little low if we run it on a dyno jet versus on the street, because on the street we did 0.5.
Okay. Here's your air fuel ratios. Woo, woo. Okay. We did not tune it. This is a mail order tune, so to speak, from Stillen. Okay, it's using the UpRev tuner software or whatever, but this is a totally bolt-on kit, right, that you're supposed to be able to bolt on in your garage over the weekend, plug in the tune, and you're off to, you know, driving around with your fast car now. We'll tell the customer, I'll get Ed to tell the customer that they can come get it. This is what it made. And we can give him, you know, maybe the logs of our chat back and forth through email. I'll tell him to like print it all out and give it to the customer, so it proves that like it's not our fault, basically. Right?
Yep.
I mean, I think that's the best way to handle it.
So this is where we're at.
This is where we're at. This is it.
Where we gotta keep it.
Dang, son, that's disappointing, honestly.
It is disappointing.
We got to bring back to the customer like, you paid all this money and this is all you got.
Yeah, pretty much.
Now
We
can.
we had higher hopes for it because
Yeah.
you know we've seen some stuff and we thought it was gonna do good.
I thought it was gonna be legit. I've always, through the years, even owning a Z myself,
Stillen.
I was like, yo, I want a Stillen kit. I want a Stillen kit.
Stillen.
I'm glad I never bought one.
Yeah.
I wish I bought one of those Momentum Turbo kits when they were on the market. before they went out
I've heard of
business.
those.
Those were awesome.
Yeah, I heard of those.
Were they 350Z or?
They were
G35.
G35, 350Z. It was a single turbo R30. No, sorry, GT35R turbo that sat in the same location,
How the hell they make that?
and they made over 400 horsepower, no problem.
Yep. So. Wah wah.
Do not buy a Stillen
Don't
kit.
buy Stillen.
Don't buy Stillen.
Sorry, Stillen. We tried. We went back and forth probably 50 to 60 times, back and forth, emailing and everything. Like I said, we strapped this thing down like
A bunch of times.
6 times probably,
I
on
keep-
and off the dyno.
I keep coming out here
This
getting
is all
fooled.
our time, man. You know, this is our time we're spending doing this.
Yep.
We should be dynoing this blue GTR.
Mm-hmm.
We got to be pulling apart the Supra. We got to pull apart that GTR back there. We got to pull apart that GTR back there. We got to pull apart that Silvia. We got to put back together the RX-7. We got work to do,
And we're wasting it.
and we're wasting it on this. Thanks, Dylan. Appreciate it.